Hey everybody, this is a video of one of my Tyco twin turbo RCs. This is Porsche 962. Uh, I have a video of the yellow Radio Shack one. This is the Tyco version with the two motors, the twin turbo. This one's got a few battle scars on it. This one was definitely played with a lot, but it could be worse. This is one of the more rare ones you're gonna see out there. I've only seen this one pop up for sale a couple of times. Tyco also made a scaled down version of this car that took double A's, and also a scaled down version that took a 9.6. And if you want to go back even further than that, they also made a slot car just like this. So, but this seems to be the rarer of them. The full size 9.6 volt. Not the small 9.6 volt, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty fast. Let's see what it'll do. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's a lot faster than that was close, than the Radio Shack one, because it's got those twin motors. I really wish the weather was cooperating outside, because man, you put this thing on the road, this thing rips. Yeah, you can see this thing just wants to go, man. This is this is hardly a test for this thing, but it just wants to take off. Whoa. Yeah, so that's it. Hopefully the weather gets better. We'll do this outside. With quite a few of the RCs I'd like to do. Alright, thanks for watching.